Hi, welcome to my new video about a brand new topic. It is a little bit academic, a little bit difficult, but I just can't wait to share with you. Are you ready for that? Well, okay, let's go. Are you interested in the behavior of animals or people? If you are, then you might enjoy study of psychology. Psychology is the study of behavior, but it is a very large area of study. Well, there are several different branches of psychology, and each of which studies a different aspect of behavior. As far as I know, that there are four dominant aspects of psychology. The first of all, that we should talking about the social psychology. Social psychology study interactions among people. A social psychology might study about the situations that cause people to behave aggressively. One problem studied by social psychology is why certain people become attracted to each other. One of the interesting problems in social psychology is conformity. What causes people to behave in the same way and to follow what others do and say? A cognitive psychology is study about the memory, thinking, and language. One problem studied by cognitive psychology is how people remember numbers. For example, what is the best way to memorize some numbers? Is it better to repeat the numbers to oneself or try to attach some meaning to these numbers? A cognitive psychology might study about language. For example, why can young children learn a second language so quickly and easily? Cognitive psychology are also interested in the way people learn to solve problems, such as finding a new place. The number three is clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists study about mental illnesses. For example, a clinical psychologist might try to find out the causes of depression and figure out ways of helping people who are depressed. Right? Other clinical might study about the behavior of people who suffer from addiction to drugs so that this problem can be prevented and treated. Well, another topic of interest to clinical psychologists is violent behavior. Well, it is important to find ways of preventing violence and change the behavior of persons who act violently. Well, some psychologists study about the measurement of psychological characteristics. For example, they might develop tests to assess a person's intelligence and a person's intelligent personality traits or interest. And these tests can be used to help people to make decision about education, occupation, or clinical treatment. Psychologists who study about the behavior of animals are called ethologists. Ethologists often go to wilderness areas to watch the activities of birds, fish, or other animals. These psychologists try to figure out why it is that some animals have have instinct in various behavior, such as parenting, mating, and fighting. Some ethologists have learned very much about the unusual behavior that observed in the many animals, right? Okay, that's it. That is all information that I know about the psychology. I believe this is only a small thing, but these are only a few of the many areas of psychology. And I believe that psychology is one of the most interesting areas of knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.